Hello NHS. I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to access your hours. Unfortunately, I do not have the time to check 500 NHS members' service hours, so please, parents and NHS members, please don't email me and ask me to check the hours of your child or yourself as a student. So you just log into your X2Vol account and you should see NHS right here. And then if you have any other groups or organizations that are tracking hours, you'll see them over here. So you'll notice this says NHS and it says 20 hours. And then when I hover over this green bar, it will tell me that of the 20 required hours, there are 60 hours. Now, if you're like, well, but I don't know how many of those are ready, what you can do is you can come right over here to your service transcript and you'll be able to see what your hours are from. And so it'll have your most recent at the top, and then it'll go down from there as to what you've had. So anything that happened at Reedy or that came from Miss Monroe and I, that's a FISD event, you went and did something at a middle school or an elementary school, or it was something that we sponsored, like the Make-A-Wish shoe drive, any of those kinds of things, those things are going to count towards your RHS NHS hours. So you're just going to have to go and look at your own transcript and determine that, because I can't go in and look at 500 NHS members' transcripts. And so you can see your hours here and then your service transcript here. You can also see your snapshot here if you've got hours that are pending or you have any denied hours. You can see what hours are verified, what hours have been approved. All of that is right there for you. If you have questions beyond this, you can come see me during advisory or before or after school to get help with your X2Vol account. Okay? Thanks.